जाएंगी, किस तरीके से आप उसे प्रोसीड करोगे, बट आई जस्ट have welcome back to this YouTube channel. I am Khushi and this is Crop Doctor. अभी तो मेरा कोई भी लाइफ फिगर आउट नहीं है, and I think that this is the case with most of the person of my age. Few of them are really successful in their life, in their respective fields they are in, but many of them are just like here. They do not have they have an idea of what they had to do, but they are just not able to do it because of many reasons. Either you are procrastinating, or the second thing is that you are waiting for something to work for you. This is not gonna help. Similarly, in my case, I would say that few years ago, I had this thing. I was just passed 12th examination, and I did not have the idea on what should I do further. Should I prepare for government job, or should I go for something which is professional with their knowledge. I always wanted to have a professional degree with my hand, but आपके financial background has support you like that for it, but आपको खुद ही figure out करना होता है. And then I started preparing for some YouTube videos, and also a friend of mine, she and I used to discuss things together, and we used to prepare together. So that was me. And फिर ये हुआ कि आई ऑब्वियसली आप प्रॉपर किसी कोचिंग में नहीं जा रहे हो, आप किसी के गाइडेंस में नहीं हो, देन आई वुड नॉट वांटेड टू साउंड लाइक सम एक्सक्यूज समथिंग, but I will just say that guidance is definitely important and require personal guidance for anything you are doing, especially at that stage of your life, because that is the time when either you make or break. बट तो अभी का ये टाइम आया हुआ है कि अभी मैं घर पे आई एम नाइदर ऑफिशियली opted out from higher studies, neither I am into that, and I am stuck at home, and this is the point where I am really stressed about my future, because I have thought about कि मुझे जो भी करना है आगे लाइफ में वो पढ़ाई के थ्रू करना है, and then I have to get a job, and that is to a government job, not the private one. I have always thought of getting into a government, but अभी का सिचुएशन ये है कि आप सबको पता भी हमारी कंट्री का सिचुएशन. आई वुडंट जस्ट ब्लेम ऑल ऑफ इट इन द सिस्टम, but I feel like there are a lot of people who are already into this cat race thingy, and I will just अभी मुझे कुछ भी समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि क्या करना चाहिए. Should I work on a different skill and learn that and get to excel that, or should I just carry on in this field and wait for however long it takes to just get into that, अब मुझे तो ऐसा चाहिए कि मुझे बहुत सारे पैसे चाहिए, बट आई डोंट वांट टू वर्क फॉर इट. आई डोंट वांट टू बी इन अ जॉब जिसमें आपको 18 और मे बी 12 आवर्स आपको हमेशा लगे रहना होगा, एंड देन यू विल गेट अ सैलरी विच इज़ ऑल्सो लिमिटेड, एंड आपके ड्रीम्स भी लिमिटेड हो जाते हैं, बिकॉज काफ़ी चीज़ें हैं. आई डोंट वांट टू रिस्ट्रिक्ट माई सेल्फ, एंड इतनी सारी सोच होने के बाद भी अभी ये है कि आई एम एंडेड अप विद डूइंग नथिंग. तो कोई भी ऐसा एज नहीं होता है कि जिस पे आप ऐसा फिक्स हो जाओ कि अभी इस एज के बाद आप कुछ और नहीं कर सकते हो, अभी आप जो करते आए हो आपको वही करना है. और पर चीज़ें फिगर आउट होना काफ़ी इम्पोर्टेंट है, अदरवाइज यू विल जस्ट कीप चेंजिंग थिंग्स एंड जंपिंग फ्रॉम दिस टू दैट टू अनदर. So I am just thinking, what should I do? I have not figured out it yet, just like many of the people at my stage of life. So that is the thing. Many people just struggle on what they want to do, what they don't want to do. Even after carrying something for few years, they have this thing कि नहीं अब मुझे ये नहीं करना है. I figured out that this is not meant for me. And at least I think for some of you who has actually figured out that you want to do a particular thing, the main problem is for those people who have not yet figured out what they want to do in their life. They just know कि I just want to have a lot of money, and I want this kind of luxury, but what kind of thing they actually have to do, they have not figured out. Because once you love your whatever your occupation or profession is, then only you can do things right. For me personally, I want to give advices, not just about random things in your life, but I have my degree in agriculture and life sciences. So, yeah, many of my colleagues have, what do we call them? Classmates? Or, yeah, they are colleagues. So many of them have told me that you give nice advices. You should, you are actually good at that. And in my college days, many students used to say that you explain things really well. So you should just teach somebody who actually wanna. But for being a teacher, you have to have interest in that kind of thing, and you have to have proper knowledge about any particular thing. चलो knowledge तो फिर भी आ जाता है, but what about your interests? And I am pretty much clear that I don't have that interest on teaching somebody about anything. Yeah, the advice thing I could give, but I don't feel like it's for whole time. Yeah, that could be a big thing or a test, but the kind of life I want, I don't know how to reach that particular place where I want to be. Just I want to know that I had to have a lot of money, and I don't know when I'm gonna figure it out. So the purpose of making this video is that I want to actually know, is this happening with just me, or there are many other people out there who have the same kind of problem. And दूसरी चीज़ ये कि if this kind of situation is going on with you people, what you guys are actually doing, please just let me know so that I could also do further. And not just people of my age group, even if you are in your 25 or 26 years, please just let me know what I should be doing, because I really want to have a settled future and figured out career at the age of 25, because this is just stressing me out. So thank you.